Hey Tina, going somewhere?
Not anymore. Anna, I had travel plans.
I think a lot of people had travel plans, Tina.
Well, didn't have travel plans like mine. No, it's kidding. Yeah, no, I agree. Everyone had travel plans, blah, blah, blah. But I take mine an extra step. So, today, we're going to talk about my travel notebook. Look at this baby. I love this notebook so much. Actually, I saw it on jetpens. They actually show you how to like put it together and then what each section is for and stuff. So I will definitely demonstrate and show everybody as well. So first off, I'm going to take it apart.
Take it apart and then assemble it?
Yeah, and then talk about each thing. Okay.
Whatever floats your boat, Tina. Get it?
I wasn't going on a boat, so I don't know why she made that joke. Okay.
Traveling, cruise, air, flight, car, train.
So I'm going to take the book apart and then go through what I have each part and then how I assemble it. And for others that want one, then they'll see how to assemble theirs as well. So, dun, 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 dun. So there's different colors. So this is a leather cover. It's actually real leather. And the cover itself, this is made in Thailand. And it's called the Traveler's Notebook. So basically, everyone knows that I like things pristine and nice. And they tell me that the more scratched up and the more used up it looks, actually it looks better.
The more weathered.
Thank you. That's the word I was looking for. The more weathered it looks, but it's still, guys, I haven't traveled yet and it's already scratched up and stuff and I'm already like.
How do you feel about it, Tina?
The inner part of me is dying inside.
It looks beautiful with all the scratches though.
Yeah, I think I'll get used to it. As you see the elastics. This elastic here holds it this way. So it holds it horizontal, not vertical. I don't know what I was doing. I haven't gotten to use it yet. So obviously, this is life. Oh, and did I forget? Welcome to Folded Crease and Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
And today, we are venting early about the travel notebook. I love traveling, and I know Anna loves traveling as well, and nobody should be traveling. So, this book was meant to be for a trip that I was going in November with my family, and unfortunately, that got postponed.
You're ready for your next trip.
Exactly. I'm ready to go. So first off, it comes with the leather case, one notebook. It comes in two sizes. One is just regular and the other size is smaller. I think it's called, oh, I'm sorry. It's called Pocket, I think. If not, I'll insert it anyway. You'll see the different sizes. So I got the regular size. So this is like the larger one. And they have different colors too. So they have blue, they have black, they have brown, they have camel. And then it comes with this, which is just a lined notebook, a ruled lined notebook that you can use. A lot of people do sketches and drawings or sticker, washi tape, whatever, to design the cover. So that is basically, I haven't really decided what each notebook I have is going to be used for, but I definitely want to document where I've been, what I did that day, and stuff like that, so then that way I can look back at it and remember. Because you know how sometimes people go on trips and they're like, what? You know, you went to San Diego, where did you go? I went to the, and then
you draw a blank.
You draw a blank of what you did.
I did so much.
Yeah. So I want to be able to look back and also have pictures and stuff like that. I think it's fun and it kind of digs into my creative side. So it comes with this, And it actually comes, I don't have it anymore because again, this was like a while back I got it. But it does come in a really nice canvas bag, like just to cover this. And the reason why I don't have it is because you know me, I don't like keeping stuff. Like if it was Anna, she'd be like, oh, hold on, it's still preserved in here. I'm the opposite. I'm like, cool, don't need this anymore. Cool, don't need that anymore. So anyway, I apologize for that. But it does come in a nice little canvas bag to protect it. But I feel like I'm going traveling. It's supposed to be all scratched up and stuff. So why am I protecting it? You know what I mean? Duh. Guys. So it comes with that. That is the package. And then I purchased on the side. Well, let me see. The package itself in total, Anna's going to lose her belief that I did this. But I paid in total about...
I'm listening.
$60 Canadian for the pad. Yeah, it's real leather. So it's worth it.
I'm not objecting to that, actually.
And I am going to use it. I'm not like, oh, $60 and it's thrown away. And I feel like I will make good use of this.
I feel like because it's something that you will cherish, it's worth the investment.
Hear that? Hear that? Ooh. I don't know why. When I told you, like before I told her the price, I felt like...
I was going to scold you?
Yeah. I felt like something like my mother would be like, I can't believe you spent this much on this. Like, I was waiting for that pep talk. And I was like, okay, gotta tell her, you gotta tell her.
No, I think, like I said, when it's an investment and something you're going to cherish, I think it's okay to invest that much money.
Yeah, and I had so many ideas. And plus, like, it wouldn't just be one trip. Like, I bought extra notebook because if I go on another trip, I could, like, take that out and then replace it with another one. Or if I wanted to keep it all together, just to be like, okay, this is my first trip. Because I've seen ones where it's super bulky, because people just add on. So I mean, I might do that too. But at last, like nobody's traveling right now, so right now it's just a mediocre planner. But yeah, it comes with, you could buy the line. And they also sell them separately, but I'll link all the different notebooks that I have, plus how much it costs. And then this one here is really cool. This one has different parts of it. So it has a monthly and a weekly calendar on it as well. And like all the other books, this one's a green cover book. It comes with like a monthly... a monthly and a weekly calendar. So you could do it this way, where you write down the month and then the day and then the times here if you want. And then you have another part where it's just, there's grid paper in the back, like there's grid here, and then this again, you can write the date and then time, and it's a different format of it. And then I think that's it. Yeah, so this is a weekly one. And what's even cool that I never noticed before, but it has a departure card for you in the back too for travelers.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
So I guess it's just information, because you know how sometimes you travel and they require like just like a little I guess it's a travel document that you need for customs. So they give it to you. So maybe the information's all in here, and also just in case if you lose this or you're hurt and it's on you and your ID's not on you, like it has information that they ask for, like your blood type, destination, where you're going, where you're coming from.
Well,
so it's good for that too.
Today with COVID stuff, for people who have to travel for business, they can now keep track of their flights with that. And if something gets reported through an airline, you can look up your flight.
No, it's so true. Like you could just there's so many purposes for it. But yeah, Anna's right. Especially with COVID, some people are forced. Well, they're not forced to travel, but they have to travel for work. And you're right. Like that's a great way to keep track of everything. She's so smart.
That's why you keep me around.
This other one is a blank book. It's blank inside, and it is the same color as the lined one. Like I said, you can get different types, but this one's blank. And so what I planned on using this one for, I was gonna sketch things, like if I saw something cute, I was gonna sketch it, or like you know, either a picture that I've taken or someone has taken, like I could stick it on there. It's multiple use. So I figured that can give me a chance to do a bunch of stuff with it. Especially, you know, you're not supposed to, like, certain areas you're not supposed to take certain things. And I know people who like to steal flowers across the border when they shouldn't. I won't name names. I have family members that do that. But anyway.
Yeah, not me. She's not implying me.
Or am I? You'll never know. Just kidding. But anyway, just like something, you know, like you could tape something on there, dried flowers. Or, I don't know. I've just seen people do numerous things with it. And it's just whatever you want to do with it, to be honest. But that is just my thought process of what I wanted to kind of have a blank one for. What's also cool is it also comes with different types of compartments. So you have something like this you can buy for like $5, and you could slip tickets in here or slip any kind of receipt that you want to keep for traveling. You know, again, anything you want. This is the coolest part. This is the one thing that I found. I was like, yes! So this here is a plastic holder, right? So this, wait, it opens, I'll just do one side. So this you can open on this side. Flip it over, you can open on the other side.
Ooh.
Right? But my favorite part, so I can bring my favorite pens, pencils, markers, is this zip up. So nothing can come out. Nothing will fall out. It's all in there.
If anybody has questions about what kind of pens to use while traveling, check out our first video.
Ah! Way to plug! Yeah, so I think this would be very handy as well. And then I did buy an extra one, another lined one, just in case I run out of room. Who knows? But now I'm going to show you how to put it all together. Bear with me. I haven't done it in a while, so when I put it all together, I was already like, I put it all together. So now I'm trying to remember how I put it all together.
So I have a question for you while you're assembling your travel journal. So you were saying that your journal, your cover was $60 Canadian. For people who maybe don't have $60 in their budget to spend on a travel journal, are there different price points?
No, there isn't.
Oh, really? Okay. So 60 is the minimum.
Yeah.
Plus your additional inserts.
Yeah. So the thing is, I bought like the booklets that it comes with. Well, not it comes with it, but the booklets that I bought plus this, it actually came from two separate places. One of them, I will have to put where it came from. Again, I will tag everything down in the comments below, and that way you'll see. But I did order some things from JetPens and then order other things from the tokyopenshop. So it is different because some of the stuff that I wanted JetPens didn't have and tokyopenshop had. But when I check pricing, they're both the same. You can obviously make your own. I just loved it, so, and I didn't want to make my own. I just wanted to buy it, and I had the money to do it at that point, so I did it. Like, I've seen people buy like notebooks and then just cut it with a guillotine, just cut it to the size they want, so then it would be this size, and that works just the same.
You can
right?
get creative with it.
Exactly, you can definitely get creative with it. You don't have to buy it. It's just something that, you know, I saw and I loved, and I've been thinking about it for quite some time, so I bought it. I'm gonna assemble the travel notebook. So the first thing you must do is decide what you want to be your first opening piece. So when you open your travel journal, what do you want to see first? So for me, I decided the green book, which is the weekly planner, to be my first piece. So what you need to do is open it right in the middle, insert it through the elastic, the one elastic, and you'll see it right now. And then the second, so I slid the green book through, so now I have another elastic. So now I want the lined or the ruled book, the book with the lines, sorry. And I also want to insert the ticket holder. And then open the middle again, slide it through the second elastic. So now I have two books. They sell separate elastics, so you can definitely buy more elastics. In this case, I was going to, but then during my package that they gave me when I bought everything, this was there. So this is the third elastic that I need for now. Obviously, the more you travel, the more elastic you'll need in the future. But for now, that's what I want. This is what I'm using. So I have another ruled book. And then I have my plastic holders that I love. Like a cover, as you can see. And then open it up in the middle. Grab the orange elastic. Put it over like that. Close it. And it's done. And so now all I need to do is, you know, open it up, show you what I have. Everything's in there. Perfect. I'm not gonna lie. I also use an elastic like this. It's sturdy enough. It works.
Your everyday rubber band?
Yeah, your everyday rubber band, but make sure it's not those small ones. It's like, you know, it's about this size. Like, I'm not stretching it out. It's like these ones.
A substantial thickness.
Yeah, and it stretches out nicely. It works. So clearly whatever I did, it works for me. But you can do whatever you like. I mean, you can absolutely adjust it if you don't want this in the middle. I think I might have done it differently, but now I figured that I'm like, I'll do this. It's just as good. You can change it around. And then seal it together. Boom, done. Oh, and also, almost forgot. Don't forget the page marker, the bookmark. You could insert it anywhere you want. Obviously, for now, I'm just going to put it anywhere because I don't have anything written down. But yeah, that's it. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. Anna, am I missing anything else?
No, I think you got everything. Thanks for watching.
Until next time, peace.